Today we are going to make some shrimp pad thai. So I had shrimp here. I'm gonna add a little bit of scrambled egg. We're gonna have the onion, the red onion, the scallions. We're gonna have the bean sprout, and yes, the pad thai noodle. You can add carrots if you like, only because I don't have any. I'm only gonna cook with what I have at home for the ingredient, that I have. So for the pad thai noodle, and this is the brand that I buy. Okay, and once you get this, make sure you soak it in the water for 10 minutes, okay, before you cook them. So once you soak them in the water, this is how it comes out. All right, so I went ahead and did the scrambled egg in advance because everybody know how to scramble egg. Now, normally I will mix the sauce for the pad thai, but I went to the Asian market and I saw this sauce, pad thai cooking sauce. So I'm gonna give it a try to see how it turned out. I will let you guys know if it's even worth of trying the sauce out, or I can I'll show you how to make the sauce later. All right, let's get cooking. So I'm gonna go ahead and saute the shrimp first. So I'm gonna add some, again, you can use olive oil, vegetable oil, whichever kind of oil that you have at home. I'm gonna let it heat up. Right now I have the heat on high, so I'm just gonna leave it on high until the shrimp is cooked. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little bit of salt just for the, so the shrimp will get a little bit of seasoning on there. And I'm gonna let it cook for about another minute, and then I'll take it out. Alright, so it looked like it's almost done. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Alright, so I picked up the shrimp. I'm just going to add some more oils in here, and then I'm going to add the red onion. You can use any kind of onion you like. You can use the sweet onion, the yellow onion, white onion. It's your option, okay? So as you can see, I'm not cooking the onion too long. So now I'm just go ahead and add in the noodles. Alright, so now next thing I'm going to be adding is I'm going to be adding the bean sprouts in here. And just mix it up. Now what's going to happen is when you do that, the noodle's going to break it up when you add vegetables in there. Okay? I'm going to add some sauce to this. Alright, so you notice that it's kind of sticking together, so we're just going to try to break it up. Okay? Throw some vegetable in here, try to break it up. Now I'm going to add some eggs in here. And then the rest of the shrimp that I cooked. And then I'm also going to add in the scallion. Now again, using that sauce, I have not gave it a test out the food yet, so I'm gonna see if I need to add some salt. I'm gonna add some black pepper in a little bit, but right now I'm just gonna mix it up. So I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper in here. Okay. Pad Thai, as you all can see, noodles tend to stick together, okay, which is okay. As long as all the noodle, it got all the sauce and it's tasty. So actually this dish is done. We're gonna garnish this with some crushed peanut. So we'll put it together in a minute. So this is a shrimp pad thai dish. Again, you can add other vegetable in it if you like. Okay, only because I don't have it. And as I mentioned earlier today, earlier in this video, is that I use this kind of sauce. Okay, I did give it a try, a taster, and it actually was really good. I think I would stick with this if you can find it. It's so much easier than trying to put the ingredient together. Well, give it a try and enjoy it.